Belarus tractors have long been recognized for their durability and efficiency in the agricultural sector. In 2025, the brand continues to uphold its reputation by offering a range of models tailored to meet diverse farming needs. One of the notable models is the Belarus 920.4, which is equipped with a 4,750cc diesel engine that delivers 84 horsepower at 1,800 RPM. This tractor features a synchromesh transmission with 14 forward and 4 reverse gears, allowing it to reach a top speed of 38.1 km per hour. It boasts a lifting capacity of 4,000 kilograms, making it suitable for various heavy-duty tasks. The Belarus 920.4 is priced between Rs. 23.45 lakhs and Rs. 24.95 lakhs, offering a balance between performance and affordability. Another significant model is the Belarus 952.4, which shares the same engine capacity of 4,750cc but provides a higher output of 95 horsepower. It also comes with a synchromesh transmission and the same gear configuration as the 920.4. The 952.4 is priced between Rs. 25.86 lakhs and Rs. 27.51 lakhs, catering to those seeking more power for demanding agricultural operations. For those requiring even more robust performance, the Belarus 3522 stands out with its 268 kilowatts engine power. This model is part of the 3500 series and is equipped with a 36/24 transmission, ensuring efficient power delivery and versatility in various farming conditions. The 3522 model is designed to handle intensive tasks, making it a valuable asset for large-scale farming operations. In addition to these models, Belarus offers the 524WD tractor, which comes with a 46 kilowatts engine. This model is part of the 500 series and is known for its compact design, making it suitable for smaller farms or specialized tasks where maneuverability is essential. The 520 model provides a balance between power and size, ensuring efficiency in various agricultural applications. The pricing for Belarus tractors varies based on the model and specifications. For instance, the Belarus 920.4 is priced between Rs. 23.45 lakhs and Rs. 24.95 lakhs, while the 952.4 ranges from Rs. 25.86 lakhs to Rs. 27.51 lakhs. These prices reflect the advanced features and capabilities that each model offers, ensuring that farmers can choose a tractor that best fits their operational needs and budget. In summary, Belarus continues to provide a diverse range of tractors in 2025, each designed to meet specific agricultural requirements. Whether you are looking for a compact model like the 520 or a powerful machine like the 3522, Belarus has options that combine performance, durability, and value. For more detailed reviews and insights into the latest Belarus tractor models, consider subscribing to our channel.